was planning to attack Earth from his asteroid base. You must foil his plan before it's too late.
All music. Go!
Go and save the city. Go after the giant sentinel.
Yourself. None of this is real. Sooner or later, you gotta grow up. Otherwise, reality will smack you right in the face.
Roberto! This talkie-talkie scene is taking forever. It's boss battle time, baby!
I am Magneto, Master of Magnet.
Oh no! Roberto's health is almost gone! He's dying!
You are nothing!
Okay, he's got a pattern of attack. Typical boss battle shenanigans. I just need to wait for it to cycle.
X-Men, welcome to die!
One more.
You are helpless against my power, X-Men! Come! X-Chicken!
X-Men. Nice job.
Roberto! No. This can't be happening. Is that an extra life?
How did that get in there? Spiral! I thought I told you to get rid of her!
Did I die? Was I dead?
Oh, thank goodness. I thought I lost you.
In the 21st century, evil mutants led by Magneto aim to destroy the world. Humans can do nothing against the power of the evil mutant. The only hope is X-Men.
Ah, you fell into our trap. The White Queen welcomes you to die.
You must rescue the professor.
We have been taken by Magneto. However, we had time to locate their base on Island M. Destroy it.